Hi, garden friends. This is Era again at Gardening on Purpose. Today, I wanted to share with you me harvesting my potato. I actually lost the tag, so I don't remember when I actually planted it. But the good thing is that potatoes will tell you when they're ready. Um, and this is a sure sign that the potatoes might be done because the actual plant is dying off, which means that there should be some potatoes down there. I have no idea. I'm literally harvesting this right now with you guys. So let's just get started. So I have it in a wheelbarrow, and in the wheelbarrow I have a, a trash bag because I don't, I just have the trash bag. So all I'm going to do really is I'm just going to empty this over and see what's in there. Hopefully potatoes. Okay. Just gonna turn this over. And I actually like using my hands. Turn this. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Oh, there's a potato. Oh gosh. Looks like one potato? Oh no, there's a potato there. Oh my god. I actually got potatoes, guys. All right, let me move this down. Here's a potato. Oh, there's some baby potatoes. Oh, look. Potato, potato. Oh my gosh. This is my very first time planting potatoes. They're not the biggest, but shoot, they're potatoes. Oh my gosh. This must have been the... Okay, here's another one. These are some babies. Okay. I don't know if they're ever going to get big because the plant was beginning to die off, but here's what I found. You guys saw. Like, I didn't even see. Oh, look, there's more here. Potato. There's a potato here. It's not the biggest harvest, but it's potato. I can actually have potato for dinner tonight. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is the first time I am planting potatoes, and this is what I got. This is my harvest. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys so much for following along. Don't forget to share and subscribe to Gardening on Purpose with Era so you can keep up with all my new videos. Thanks again.